much money can you really make selling Notion templates in 2025? A few hundred, a few thousand? Or can this actually replace your job? Well, I'm going to show you proof, walk you through the exact process, and tell you exactly where I'm selling mine so you can copy this step by step. And the best part, guess what that is? You can start today without even knowing how to code or design because I sure didn't. Hey, I'm Cheryl, and on this channel, I show you real ways to make money online without relying on YouTube AdSense. And today's income stream might just blow your mind because Notion templates are one of the lowest effort, highest profit digital products you can sell right now. And they're still not saturated if you know how to niche down. Now let's talk about what Notion really is. And this is for especially for beginners. First things first, if you've never even heard of Notion, let me just break it down for you. Notion is a free productivity app that's basically part digital notebook, part planner, part project manager, part database, all rolled into one. People use it to organize literally everything: their budget, workout plans, vacation itineraries, wedding planning, content creation schedules, you name it. And here's the fun part: inside Notion, you can design custom pages, dashboards, or systems that make other people's lives easier. And then you sell them as Notion templates. Basically, they are pre made setups they can duplicate into their own Notion account. Now, there are proof that people are making money with this. And I'm going to show you so you know I'm not just hyping you up. On Etsy right now, there are Notion templates selling for 10 bucks, 25 bucks, even $50 each. And here's the kicker: these are digital downloads. There's no shipping, no printing, no stock to manage. Once you create the file, you can sell it forever, over and over again, without touching it again. Some sellers are making over $5,000 a month just from a few simple templates. In fact, I'm going to show you a store. We're going to take a look inside of the number of sales, multiply that by the average price, and you'll see exactly why this is so powerful. And stick with me after because I'm going to show you proof that it has worked for more than one person's. So let's me dive into Etsy's platform to show you inside. For the sake of the video not being long, I chose this particular listing. It's an ultimate beauty business hub and it's all in Notions. Within this Notion template, you can run your bookings if you're a hairdresser, barber, or any if you're in the beauty industry. It helps you to manage your clients' finances and more. It's now selling for $24.99, which is 50% off. And look at this: 20 plus people have it in their carts. That is amazing. And let me scroll down. It has 4.8 out of 5 review stars and 13,700 reviews. That's how, and I'm sure it's being sold more because let's scroll down here and let me show you. 141,500 sales. This listing is in Australia. And this person has been on Etsy since 2020, of course, and they have a few other listings. But this number is still crazy. The reason why we talk about niche down is, let me type in Notion template. When you type that in Etsy search bar, you can see you have different options. You have business. Most people target the business people because of productivity, but you can also target college students. You have Notion templates for writers, and I'm sure you have for mothers. Let's see, it doesn't show. Let's see. You have for, I don't know what this is, college Gibili. I'm not sure. But the key right here is, let's put Notion templates, period. And then you have for coaches. And I put the S on templates and I see for student planner. Let's go look at coaches. and see what I find. See, this one still comes up, the one we just looked at. Oh yeah, because they placed an ad. So you don't look at the first line because these people, they placed an ad. Okay, this for coaches. That's because that's what we're looking at. Academic planner, coaching client. This person sold 33. This person sold 3,100, 680. And this one is for student life planner, 806. Yes. So I just wanted to give you an idea of what you should expect when you're selling your Notion template. There's software out there that you can do keyword research, but I'm going to show you something in a minute. But let's go to the next screen, which is Reddit. This one has 100 plus templates, and this is PLR. You could even buy this and repurpose it and make it your own. So there are so many options. All right, so let's move on to Reddit, and let me show you. Before we go directly to Reddit to show you proof it's working for others, though, let me show you the exact process first that I would follow if I was starting from scratch today. Step one, pick a niche inside Notion. As you can see, why I showed you on Etsy. Don't make a generic planner, that's where beginners fail. Make a specific planner, like a 2025 social media content calendar for coaches, or wedding planner dashboard, or Airbnb host management template. You want something where buyers will search for exactly what you've made. Step two, build your template inside of Notion. That's important. You can sign up for a free account at notion.so or notion.com. Create your pages, add databases, link pages together, and make it visually appealing. Use icons, covers, and clean layouts. If you're not design savvy, you can even grab a basic free template and customize it to make it your own. Step three, export the share link. Once your template is ready, you're going to click share in the Notion platform where you copy the link, and that's the link that you're going to post, send to buyers, and they will duplicate in their own account. Number four, create your product listing. Upload your screenshots to Etsy, Creative Fabrica, Gumroad, or Payhip. Write a detailed description that says exactly what problem your template solves and who it's for. You can use ChatGPT to help you with that. Price it. Most templates sell for $8 to $25, but if you offer a complex system, you can charge even $50. Number six, drive traffic. Etsy gives you built in traffic, but you can double your reach by posting on TikTok, Pinterest, or YouTube Shorts, showing your template in action, like what it does. Literally, a 10-second screen recording with captions can go viral. And listen, I know this can feel overwhelming the first time you try it. That's exactly why I put together my beginner's guide to selling Notion templates. It's a quick step by step ebook that shows you everything from setting up your free Notion account to building your first template to actually listing it for sale on Etsy, Creative Fabrica, and Gumroad. I even show you my favorite Canva tricks for making your product listing pop, plus where to find buyers who are already searching for these same templates. If you want to skip all the guesswork and get straight to making your first sale, the link for my ebook is right in the video description. Trust me, this little guide could save you weeks of trial and error. Now let's take a quick look at Reddit as I promised, and then I'm going to show you a few secret tips. So you don't want to go anywhere. Let me switch to the screen to the Reddit screen right now. I have two Reddit examples to show you. This guy is earning $250,000 selling Notion templates. He has made 71,500 sales. He sells it on Gumroad primarily. And let me scroll down. And so people are commenting and asking him questions. Somewhere below, someone said that when they started out, they were there were about 20 million users of Notion. Now there are 100 million and only 10,000 creators. So this is the perfect time for you to get in. And this one is saying that the platforms they use is Twitter for marketing, Gumroad for selling, and Product Hunt for launching. And they even have Notion marketplaces. And you'll find that in my ebook. I'm going to put everything in, how to create it and where to sell it. Twitter is a prime example. And there was one guy who said that he sells templates like for workflow for busy people and for people into fitness. And so the workflow and the layout and how it looks is important. One guy said he gives away free templates, and within the and then he gets their email address, and then he sends information for the paid template, and that's how he does his marketing. Have a funnel, you know what I mean? You generate attention on social media, and then you get their email, and then you leverage by selling. So that is a tactic that you can use and that I have in my ebook. You can sell through Notion's own marketplace or on your own website and on Etsy, Gumroad, and all of that. Because Notion has a marketplace that you can list, but you have to make sure that your product is good. Your product has value. Let me show you the other Reddit user, and then we will finish up. Please stick around. This guy makes $20,000 a month, and he said between April the 2nd and June the 13th, he got 4,275 clicks from posting it in X.com, and 135,395 total impressions. He said he uses the keyword Notion templates, but there are also other keywords that he uses that has a lot of searches: best Notion templates aesthetics, Notion calendar templates, Notion journaling templates. And he said the key takeaway is just to find those keywords that work, and I just gave you some. Search on Google for Notion template marketplaces that you can upload your templates. And in my video and ebook, I mentioned Creative Fabrica and Gumroad and certain other marketplaces that you can sell them. But this is serious money, $20,000 to $30,000 a month selling just Notion templates. Don't sleep on this one. Let's now wrap up. Okay, here are my secret tips you've been waiting for. And these quick secrets can make a huge difference. Number one is to bundle your templates. If you make a budget tracker, for example, you could also create a debt payoff tracker, like paying off your debt, and sell them together, and then you can charge a higher price. Number two, seasonal launches. Think back to school, which is happening right now, New Year goal planner, or holiday budget dashboard. These spike in searches every year, but you have to be prepared in advance, and it can get you predictable burst of sales. So, to answer the big question, how much money can you make selling Notion templates in 2025? Honestly, it's going to be up to you. If you just want some side income, like a side hustle, you could be looking at $200 to $500 a month after a couple of months, but that's still something you can pay a few bills. If you go all in though and you niche down and post regularly, it can easily turn into a full time income. So, just to quickly recap, we broke down exactly what Notion is, why people are willing to pay for templates, and the exact steps that you can follow to create, list, and sell them. We also talked about where to sell, how to stand out, and a few insider tricks that most sellers never tell you. You now have everything you need to turn Notion into a real income stream in 2025 so you don't have to rely on YouTube AdSense. And if you want to save hours of trial and error and skip straight to my proven plug and play process, then grab my brand new ebook. It's titled The Beginner's Guide to Selling Notion Templates for Passive Income in 2025. It's packed with detailed screenshots, ready to use template ideas, pricing tips, and the exact selling platforms I use myself. The link's going to be right below this video. Go check it out. And hey, if you found this video helpful, Don't just click away. Hit that subscribe and that like button. Give this video a thumbs up, please, and drop a comment telling me which type of Notion template you're most excited to create. Who knows? I might feature your idea in my next video. And I'm serious. And if you want to do a follow-up video, if you want me, sorry, to do a follow-up video building a Notion template from scratch on screen so that you can copy it, then let me know in the comment section. And if you're really serious about selling these Notion templates, I'll leave my Creative Fabrica affiliate link in the description below as well. And I'll also leave my favorite free Notion resources so you can grab them today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Go make some money. I've got another video coming up that will help you to do just that as well and give you more ways to make money online without relying on YouTube Partner Program. And trust me, you don't want to miss that one. So make sure you hit that notification bell as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.